Hi planner friends, welcome back to Planner Cookie Mama. Today I'm going to be planning in my Happy Planner and I'm going to be using this Chic Mini Kit from OneCraftyCountryGirl. So this is the full kit. So we've got our day covers, we've got some deco, got half boxes and quarter boxes, our weekend banner and our darling deer. We've got some full boxes, and we've got some full deco boxes, and I'm also going to be using some of these leftovers from other kits that I have, so the Dreamy Kit, and I think there should be some in here from the Spring Fling or Spring Bliss kit as well. Let me have a look. Actually, it might just all be the Dreamy Kit. Yeah, so Dreamy and Chic is what I'm going to be pulling in from here as well. So what I'm going to do first actually is I have washi left over from the Dreamy Kit, so I'm going to use that first, and I'm going to use that on the header, the day covers here, because these are actually Erin Condren size, so if I put them up here, then it's going to bring everything down a little bit for me, which means that it's better to plan with, because it's going to bring everything down a little bit for me. Okay, what I'm going to do first then with the actual kit, once I find it, because I've just put it underneath all this paper, take my Sparkling Life Everyday sticker off, because that of course has to go down. We'll put it on this side for a change. They always have to go down, and then I'm going to pop down the day covers. I'm just going to go ahead now and pop down these dates. So it's from the 2nd. Right. I'm going to pop down my to-dos. So I'm going to use these ones from the Dreamy Kit. I was thinking that what I'm going to do now is pop down this washi along here. So first I'm just going to use my white out on it. I'm going to use this flowery washi. No idea where I got this from, so I can't tell you. And then I'm going to use these full boxes that I can write in. Thank you. Obviously I can't put things down straight, so I'm not sure if it was if I put this sticker down squint or if I put the washi down squint, but either way something isn't straight. That'll do. So as I said, I am going to be using stickers from other kits as well. So just try and tie them all in together. That's not straight either. Thank you. See what I mean? Started to rip the page. You need to be sure you know where you're sticking your stickers if you're using a OneCraftyCountryGirl kit, or you really need to take the excess stickiness off by like rubbing it on your arm or something, which is usually what I do, but I just keep forgetting. And then that one. Okay. And again, I think I'm going to, do you know what I actually might do? I still have another couple of these washes, so I might use those along this part. I have a weekend banner somewhere, I just don't know where. There it is. Go. And pop that in there. There we go. And I'm just going to use these lovely deco boxes. Amber released 3 kits round about the same time. There was the Chic, the Dreamy and the Spring Bliss, and they had quite similar colours, so it was really good because it meant that if you bought all 3 of them like I did and you didn't use all the kits, like all of the kit, then you could do exactly what I'm doing now and just use the kits, like use your leftovers together. And then you've got another full spread. Put that in there. Right, whoa, that's squint, but I didn't take the sticky off, so I ain't getting that back up. Right, I'm going to use this You Got This sticker up here on my sidebar. Come on. This down. So these are for my TV shows. I'm going to pop this down here because that's a college day. And then I'm going to do the same with this one on Thursday because again that's a college day. Oops. And again on Friday. So they're my college days. I get paid. Use my little payday darling dear here. So I get paid on Friday. Just stick that in there. I don't have any bins to go out next week. Oops. So planning day, little planning day darling dear. Planning day is usually a Saturday or a Sunday, so I'm just going to stick that in the middle. Then I also plan on a Wednesday, so I'm going to use this little planner here that was in the kit. I'm going to plonk that in there. And then I have assessments next week. I have an assessment on Thursday after college, so I'm going to stick that in there so I remember. I also have an assessment on Friday, so I'm going to pop that down there. I'm going to use this little laundry sticker because I have a buttload of laundry that I really have to do. So I'm going to stick that on Monday. My daughter's with her dad as well on Monday, so I'll get a lot of that done while she's away. And then this day off sticker I'm going to put here because my daughter's with her dad that weekend. She's actually with him from the Friday, but never mind. Let's see. I'm going to use this Keep On Dreaming sticker from the Dreamy Kit. Put that there. And then there's another one here that says Wish It, Dream It, Do It. Hang on. You see that there? And I'm going to stick that down at the bottom here. Got another one here that says Run Errands. I need to probably go shopping on Friday. I usually do my shopping on a Friday. Oops. I'm also going to stick down this Clean House sticker on Monday. So I'll do that while the washing's doing. I'm going to use my Darling Dear studying stickers for my college days. So I'm just going to stick that on that side. There and there. And then volunteer day on Wednesday. Just stick that over the top of that little camera. My daughter is at her dad's house on Monday after school, so we'll stick that down there. And then, oh, I need to remember to put down my medication tracker. And then my daddy's weekend sticker. I'll stick that there. I'm also going to use 2 of these weekly habit trackers from Happy Cutie Studio. I'm just going to use ones that sort of match the colours that I have going on here. And cat hair everywhere. I'll stick that there. And then this one straight underneath it. I need to get one of my meditation stickers out. Really need to actually get my prescription filled I've got the script sitting there, but I keep forgetting to actually take it into the chemist. I have these hydrate stickers left over from another kit, so I'm just going to use these. I'm going to pop down this little next week sticker that I have. And then I have this week tracker that I had from a different kit. But if anybody knows Amber, you'll know she absolutely loves cats. And this is like from a cat kit. So she won't mind me using that. And it matches quite well. The colours are similar. Right, next up I'm just going to write in my actual plans. Pop this back into my planner. All right. So I actually really like the way this turned out. I love using bits of other kits to make my spread. It's been a while since I've done that, and I love the fact that I've actually, it's the first time in a while I filmed a OneCraftyCountryGirl spread. So I'm happy that I finally got to do that. Oh, that's something else. I need an important sticker. Important. The shop opens back up on Monday. Amber is currently stocking up the shop, so on Monday that's our relaunch date. Alright, so as always guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. I will leave a link in the description down below to my Instagram, OneCraftyCountryGirl's Instagram, and OneCraftyCountryGirl's website. As I said, it is actually closed just now, but it does reopen again on Monday at 6 AM Pacific time. So please head over there and check that out, because we've got a lot of exciting stuff coming. And until next time guys, happy planning. Bye.